Hey, good morning YouTube, Facebook, anyone who's watching this video. My name is Attorney Charles Zavala from ZavalaTexasLaw here in beautiful Houston, Texas. Actually, the weather's not too beautiful today. It's kind of foggy and drizzly, but it is what it is. We are an immigration law firm. We also handle criminal cases as well as business cases. Usually we make these videos to help our clients or people who are looking for any sort of guidance or direction in one of the subject areas that we work in. So if you have any questions, you can call us on the number on the screen, or you can set an appointment in the description. But yeah, so today's video, I did a video a few days ago regarding the work permits with immigration, right? And about how there was almost a 1.5 million backlog, right? And what that means is, hey, a lot of people are waiting for their work permits. That means a lot of employees are waiting to get their work permit. A lot of employers are waiting to hire people. And now that we're in this situation where, COVID and there's a lot of job demand and all this stuff, think about it. That's 1.5 million people that should be part of the workforce that aren't, because USCIS is delayed. They're really back on issuing out those work permits. So you can watch that video. You can find it as, I think it's the most recent one we posted. But today I got more bad news, y'all. So in regards to a green card, okay, there's also backlogs that are happening. So let me give you an example. Let's say I, Charles, I am from the United States. My wife is from another country, right? Let's just say she's from Mexico. And we get married. I do have to submit what's called an I-130 petition. Once that gets approved, assuming my wife is still in Mexico, she's going to have to go to an interview at the consulate, right? And that interview is just going to be essentially an interview, and they're going to say, look, they're going to look at our application, and they're going to make sure she is who she is, that we are married, it's not fraudulent, she has no criminal record, anything like that, which is great. That's normally what we do. There's no problem, especially if the spouse or children are living in another country. However, when COVID happened, it kind of slowed down everything because all the consulates closed down. They kind of got slow to wind back up, and that's just the situation we're in. But what's the point of today's video? So today's video, I was reading here that the government has released that as of now, there is almost 500,000. So I think the right number is like 461,000, but let's just say 500,000 to make it easy. 500,000 people who are waiting for their interview. To me, that's ridiculous, right? So what used to be something that we could get, in less than a year is now taking multiple years, and people are just separated from their families, and that's really tough, and we're trying to see, well, where's the light at the end of the tunnel? We're not exactly sure because they're understaffed and they just need to conduct more interviews. So I think the statistic was at the end of October, there were still close to about 500,000 interviews that are still waiting. So what's the point of this video? I'm not doing this just to complain, but what I'm doing is, if you are currently one of these people who's waiting for your interview, you are not alone, okay? It's not your lawyer's fault, it's not your fault, it's not whoever helped you do this application. There's just a huge backlog right now, and unfortunately there's no way we can really get around it, but this video is just to inform you that you're not alone, okay? So if you do have any questions, feel free to give us a call, or any concerns. We're more than happy to help, but as of now, there's a huge backlog, y'all. So hope this doesn't ruin anyone's day, but it's just more informative than anything else, okay? But if y'all need any help, feel free to give us a call. My name is Attorney Charles Zavala. We handle all sorts of green cards, citizenships, anything that have to do with immigration, business, or family side. We are here more to help, okay? So y'all have a beautiful day. Enjoy it, and enjoy the holidays coming up. Thank you.